trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, "Mr. Buffett, you have lost $10 million today." Do you know what he said? He said, "I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold." Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose.
Exactly, yeah.
Are you ready to trade your edge? Introducing our obsession, our ambition, our commitment to guide your training and support your success. Introducing a capital allocation program where we fund you to trade without charging a registration fee. Join Axi Select, improve your trading performance with our unique Edge score, and get funded up to $1 million to become a pro trader. Gain a competitive edge by enjoying a program with unrestricted trading conditions that empowers you to reach your full potential and succeed. Track your progress, monitor your trades, and perfect your trading approach with our comprehensive dashboard, offering advanced analytics and in-depth statistics. Gain access to an exclusive online trading room with live analysis sessions and educational videos, and communicate with other experienced traders and mentors. How confident are we of our groundbreaking new program? Confident enough to give traders like you up to $1 million of our funds to manage. Confident enough to give traders like you up to 90% of the profits from your trading. Axi's commitment to innovation, excellence, and success has been recognized since 2007. Over 30 prestigious industry awards granted to the Axi group of companies. Operating globally while strictly following industry best practices to provide you with a secure trading environment. And proud sponsors of English Football Club, Premier League champions, and treble winners, Manchester City, Manchester City Women's Football Team, Brazilian Football Club Esporte Club Bahia, and Spanish Football Club Girona Football Club. Unlock your full potential with Axi Select and master the art of professional trading. Trade your edge. Trade with Axi Select.
every one of us. Please, just one person or two to let me know that you are hearing my voice so that we can start the class.
I hear you, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Tonight, we are going to dip our hand in synthetic asset trading. Before I'll go further, before I'll start the main class. Hello? Hello? Okay. Before we start, before I go into what we need to discuss tonight, the first thing I need to know is the system of our trading, either synthetic or Forex, is the same concept. It's the same concept. So some people might not want to learn synthetic, or they don't have interest in trading synthetic. It's not about synthetic. It's about continuously coming to the class to see what we are doing so that until you master the act. My system is the same for everything I'm trading, either stock, either commodity, precious metal, oil, name it. It's the same concept. It's the same robot. So, because I just want some people to understand that I know I won't go to synthetic class. I trade Forex. It's the same thing. And the reason why we are repeating them, I'm repeating the classes, is because during Sunday, we have opportunity to see how that market move on weekend, because it doesn't stop. You understand? Even though many people have run away from it because of because of Derif is not being a sincere broker, to be honest. So that is the first thing I need to say. So I need to share this screen with us as you know that I normally start my classes from sharing screens from time to time, so that all of us will see that we are not just like other people that you don't really know if they are trading or not. Okay, so if you see the new screen, please can you just let me know that you saw it? Did you see the new screen, guys?
Yes, you can see it.
Yes, we can see it.
All right. You can see what really happened. I won't talk about the previous month. I'll just talk about March alone. In March alone, we did 3.23 on this account. And this is what I keep on telling any Forex trader. Each month in trading would determine what you made, not the robot. Some people say, Mr. Bola, we want to buy the robot. How much will I make per day? I normally laugh. I even tell them, I don't know how much you are going to make in 10 years. Because it's only God that knows what it will end the journey at the end of the day, week, a month. Look at this, the same account that we did 36% in December. We have not even done anything close to that. In April, today is April 6th, it's 0 return, the first week of April. In March, we did 3.23. And so you can see that, and the account, the same account we are going to start talking about now is the same account you are watching here. I normally like to put my trading on third-party platform so that people can see the reality of what I'm doing. And if you look at everything, there's nothing hidden there. Initial deposit and total withdrawal is $3,000. And why it is $3,000? If you are in the class on last week Sunday, is total withdrawal is $1,000 because our pure profit is $1,000 on this account, which we have withdrew. But I withdrew another $2,000 about 2 or 3 days ago. Why? Because I decided to move it to Axie investment. Axie investment is more profitable than in synthetic, and because it's a funded account, and the kind of manipulation on the reef, so I know that I just need to keep little there so that I'll manage that little while I'm focusing on Axie, because that's what we call diversification of portfolio. So you have to understand this. You can't put all your egg in one basket, and when you want to put all your egg in one basket, you have to look at what are the benefits that is going to return for you. That's what I did here. That's why we have 3,000 withdrawal here. 2,000 is part of our capital, 1,000 is our profit, okay? So that's what I want us to see here. Then let's go to the main trading platform where we are going to make our hands a little bit dirty tonight, okay? Now, let me see if you see my trading platform. One or two person.
Yes, I can see it.
All right. The reason why I'm asking is in the past, it has happened that I keep on talking before we realize that you don't see what I'm talking about. So that's why if I'm asking, don't just keep quiet so that we can be a little bit fast. If you look at this account, we are going to come from history of this account. And we are going to look for what history, we're going to look at history between last week class, which is March, Sunday 30, and today, which is another Sunday, okay? So now we're going to start from there. If you look at this account, since for good 1 week, this is only profit we managed to make on this account, which is $14.21. And I'll tell you the reason. And that's why if you are a good trader, you let market do what you want to do, not you running after the price. And I'm going to tell you, I don't even bother about it because now I know that the reef is not reliable. The synthetic asset is not reliable asset on the reef, but it's fine. If you know how to trade, you can keep your money there, and it's better than keeping the money in the bank anyway. Because if at all is bank, you can't get $14 on $1,000 in a week, because this is a week, okay? And if you look at the rest, let me do this. Let me see. Now, I want to see, maybe I can rearrange this. Okay. Now, you're not supposed to give me this. I want everything to be in one place. Come in. I want all the charges to be in one place, okay? You put the withdrawal in between. Okay, so this one that you see minus 84 is a trimming. I trim here. Okay, so now if you look at from Sunday, last week we came to class, till Sunday today, look at what the charges is doing to the account. And why we don't see trade is because it's like, I don't know. It's like it's like the reef algorithm is super monitoring some movement where you're supposed to make profit. It will make sure it's not touching that side. And me and this platform, we are just playing the game. So if you are not a very strong person and a very mature trader that mature in and out in trading, there's no way you will not have blown this account, because if a mature trader will force to trade, you will be forcing yourself to trade, because when you see all the charges you are paying on daily basis, what will come to your mind is, let me see if I can make a profit somewhere else. And by that time, emotionally, they push you to mess up your capital. So that is why I normally advise every one of us who want to be a trader, you have to be as patient as anything. Don't let any broker humiliate you with all this. This humiliation, and this would tamper with your trading psychology. You have to be firm with whatever thing you are doing in this market, okay? So this is what the result from Sunday to Sunday. To me, it doesn't make sense to me. From Sunday to Sunday, you can imagine price doesn't move with just 1,000, 2,000 points. So you know that something is fishing here. But nevertheless, we are in, and we are going to keep on trading it. Like this 2,000 that I said, you can see that I withdrew it exactly March 23rd. So we put it on asset investment so that it can grow faster. Because as Axie investment, it can grow faster. Axie will even give us funded accounts that can make our 2,000 worthwhile than to be sleeping here. So now let's go to the main trading, and I'm going to explain to you what is going on in my mind when I'm trading this account. Okay. So the first thing is all this pending order. I'm going to remove them. Let me remove them. Because now we need to do everything together. I don't want to keep you in dark. So we have to trade together now. Okay, now, this is the account. Let's believe that this account belongs to all of us, okay? And all of us want to make a decision on it. I'll first of all go to daily. On this daily, we can see everywhere that I spotted. Okay, I want to close all those lines. You can see that if you look at this open account, this trade that is running here is the first one here. I've opened this trade since February 2, and market never reached there for almost 3 months. So this is what will make you know that am I a real trader that understand investment. You understand? Because it doesn't, I don't care. It can stay there for 1 year. I don't care. I won't push anything because I know market will be what? Dribbling me here and there. But it's me as a trader that will know that this is what I want. Okay. So the sell here was open in March 24. This one is even recent, and this one is March 30. So which is Sunday, last week Sunday. If you attend that class, you will know that this 0.2 is last week Sunday in the class. That's why we are making this. Is the one that is even at profit now, and I will show you how many times market is almost hit this take profit and market pullback, and I don't care. If it is 1 year for you to take this profit, I'll put it there. You understand what I'm saying? So now, on this daily doesn't give us any zone that we can plan with. Let's go to 4 hours. As we know that we normally like our zone, price zone management strategy once the robots stop trading and edge for us, okay? Now, this is our 4 hours, and we don't really need this zone because price is above it. So we need from here up, okay? So now, the first thing I normally do, like you know my culture, I normally want to mark that zone. I want to mark that zone and start looking at what happened on the lower part of it. I'm going to H1. Now on H1, you can see that even H1 confirmed that on the H4 zone, the zone is stronger because you can see 2 zones inside that zone, okay? But market is playing up above that zone on H1. Okay, so what am I going to do again now is on the H1, I want to see what are the possibility of, is there anything I can do on H1 at lower level? Okay, this is what I want to see here. If you come to 30 minutes, you can see 30 minutes is telling me that this zone on 1 hour is valid because you can see these 2 lines is image of our zone on 1 hour, okay? And you can see that it's strong. Immediately the signal came out, it started pulling up, okay? Then 15 minutes, let's try to check. But you can't use all these lower time frame to make a quality decision. It's just for us to see how we are going to play along with the price zone, okay? Now, when we come to 15 minutes, what does it say? 15 minutes also tell us this zone in 1 hour is strong. That's why you can see that it's confirming there's a price zone inside. If you look at the 4 hours on 30 minutes, it's empty. The zone is empty. In 15 minutes, let's go on 30 minutes also. In 30 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes, 30 minutes also confirm that inside that zone is valid. 1 hour. 1 hour also confirm it, but price is far away from there. We have another one that we can make a decision with before this, okay? So now, as it is, as a trader, what do you think we can do? Can somebody suggest what we can do here? I have what I want to do in my mind, but can somebody tell me that this is what we can do on this account to trade it, and what is the name given to that strategy? Can somebody tell me? Just raise up your hand. We don't want to waste too much time tonight on this. So
still.
some people are just phoning. Okay, Mr. Chris.
Yes, we can put a pending order, a pending buy stop, actually, right here at
no, which one is right here? Tell me the price.
407 407. Looking very closely, 30 whatever. Just where your top yellow thing is, your top yellow line is.
Okay. That's 4907.93.
That's
19533. Okay. 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 Thank you very much. You make a good observation there. Can somebody else tell us? Can somebody else contribute? Our strategy is a very good strategy that doesn't need to stress you. You can see in 1 week, I don't even stress. I don't even feel like I'm trading. And my account is protected. So can somebody tell us? Can somebody now tell us again, contribute again, that what do you think we can do? This is the account we have withdrawn more than, we have withdrew 40% profit within 4 months, but we're still struggling to make sure that this account will keep on withdrawing for a very long time without any fear or panicking. So who in the house can still buttress what Mr. Chris has said before I will take my own decision, and I'll explain the reason why I'm taking the decision. Please, when you're in the class, be buoyant, be brave enough to ask questions or to contribute, because it will help you to grow faster. People that ask questions in the class or contribute in the class, they are the people that are most performing members. I've seen the result of many people, and I've seen that most people that are funded are the people that ask questions and contribute in the class. Even if you contribute, if your contribution is not okay, nobody will kill you. And we are not in the class where we are seeing each other. Okay, Mr. Longile.
Good evening, sir.
Evening,
and good evening, everyone. So my suggestion is that I would take a better risk than our brother Chris. Me, I'd buy instant execution, and then I'd put a pending order, which is a sell stop on the 4880, seeing that the markets already gave us a buying signal.
Okay. Now, sir, why did you want to put sell stop on 4880, sir? Why did you want
to protect my capital?
Yeah, but when you look at it now, let's say we put 0.2 here. Then when 0.2 come to buy, then we have 0.7, 0.2 buy. And when you come and put another 0.2 here, that buy will be sell will be 0.0, 0.7, 0.2, and 0.2. So you have over protection, because now sell side will become 1.1 and buy side will become 0.7. I think you don't need to put sell stop here. You're supposed to put trade on this zone. That your first your first decision that you're going to buy here making sense, but putting sell stop does not make sense. Because if this thing break it, if it break it, then we are going to have 1.1 against 0.7, and that is catastrophic. That is extra 0.4 lot size, a sell against buy. So it's too much. But if you look at it now, if we just say, okay, let's put buy here, the buy can come in two ways. It can come in what Mr. Chris said, that limit, buy limit, pending. And Mr. Lungile said, I will go in immediately. The two of them are good trader. That is what I want to do tonight. That's the decision I want to make. So the two of them are good observant and good price zone understanding member. This price zone is very, very important by the time robots stop working. Okay. Now, Mr. Chris, let's say you put pending order here. Buy pending, like you said.
Yes.
What is the next thing you need to do?
I'm going to put a take profits, probably just before this. Hang on, I can't see the price yet. I mean very well, but I think it's just before this purple line. But then again, before I do that, yeah, just right there.
Okay.
I will go and look at the lower time frame to see if there's anything in between. If there's anything in between,
okay,
like maybe check 30 minutes, 15 minutes, that's where I will put my take profit. If there's anything in between. So let's go and check.
Let's check. 30 minutes. This is the first barrier.
Yeah, okay.
This is the first barrier. So let's put a mark there. 15 minutes. The barrier is almost the same thing where the 30 minutes is.
That's where my take profit will be.
That's where your take profit will be. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Now, Mr. Longley, according to you, you want to enter the buy immediately. Let's say you enter the buy immediately, what are you going to do next? Mr. Longley?
I will also put, yes, sir.
Okay.
I will also put a take profit.
Where?
On the 15 minutes barrier.
Okay, at 15 minutes barrier. So you and Mr. Chris, you are chasing each other. Now, this is what I'm going to do. That is why I love this strategy, because everybody must think independently and create a venue that is comfortable for each one of them. Okay? You remember that we started from daily. We don't see anything around this price zone that daily gave us. We came to H4. H4 show us a system here, and price is not near it. It doesn't really make any sense to us. Then we come to H1. H1 gave us a barrier here, and it's from that barrier we started analyzing this zone. Okay? Now we move to 30 minutes, whatever. I'm going to do the same thing Mr. Lungile wants to do. What am I going to do now? I'm going to buy. But don't buy with higher lot size. Anytime market edge and robots decide to hand over the business into you, please start using minimum lot size. It's part of your risk management. Some people can come here now, come and put 0.6. You are risking too much. So I'm going to be using the most lowest system. I'm going to buy immediately. If I put buy stop here, I still don't have problem. So Mr. Longile and Mr. Chris, you are still right. But can somebody tell me, what did you see that happened now? Immediately I bought. Immediately I bought. Can somebody tell me what is observation on this trading floor? Mr. Chris.
Price came down first.
Price shoot down. That is why Deriv is most dangerous platform if you are not a smart trader. The algorithm of Deriv, because this is a fake asset. You remember, this is a fake product we are trading. So now, immediately I make my decision. They did what? They bully me to think of panicking, and I will never panic. I will never panic because I know what I'm doing, okay? Now, Mr. Chris and Mr. Lungile have applied what's your thought, and it's my thought as well, okay? Now, where we are going to have differences is where we are going to allocate our profit. If I put my take profits here, let's look at 30 minutes. Okay, if I put my take profit here, there's no problem. I can put it here. If I put it here on 15 minutes, I check 15 minutes also. It's almost the same thing of 30 minutes. But I'm not going to do that. I will not do that. But if you do that, because you know when you are trading, you are not consulting me, you are not consulting anybody, because we are now in the class. That's why we are doing what we are doing. But the reason why I will not do that is because it's too far. It's too far away. It's too far to where the price is. And I want to start playing game with the Reef the way they have been playing game with me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my take profit below this sell. So now I've hooked them that the price have to be playing in between this channel, between this line and this line. But if I put the take profit far, what the Reef will do with my own experience is, let me show you what I know that they will do. This market will now come here, and what happened, it will throw my sell to negative, and you remember the sell presently is $8. So I've locked this $8, they will never take it from me again with what I did now. So they will now come here because I put the profit here, they will come here, and they'll come here, and they'll come here, and they'll come here till another Sunday. So now, if I put my take profit somewhere here, I've given them what? You see, when you are trading Forex, you trade like a chess player. Especially this one that you are trading robot. You know, when you are trading the Reef, volatility, boom, crash, you are trading with machine. You are trading with algorithm. You are not trading with a live market. So now, what I did for them, what I did to them now is two options, and which I'm going to prove to us before next Sunday. What could happen? The worst that could happen now is that, let me do something here. I want to leave this. I don't want to put too much color something here. Let me erase this one up. So the worst thing that can happen now between today and next class is that the price can come here and stop around here, which it has been doing for 1 week. And this profit will become something like $10, $15. And they will move up again. And they come here, they won't each my take profit. And this buy will become like $8, like here. And the sell is locked. They can't go up, because when they go up, my take profit will trigger for buy. So, and if they are playing here, at least I will let it happen 2 or 3 times to know maybe I should close the buy side or I should close the sell side. So as the condition I put this trade now, I must take a profit from one direction, which I don't know now. I'll make my own personal decision on which side I'm going to take that profit. And if I take that profit from there, let's say it goes to buy, I take profit. Then my sell will be 7 against 9 again, okay? Now, I think the Reef can start going up so that 9 against 7 can make me panic. I will not panic. So now, what am I going to do next is, once I see my buy side triggered, I'll be at alert to do what? To buy again under this supply, or to buy again under this supply. To sell again under this supply and buy above this supply, and sell again below this supply and buy again above this supply. But I don't know which direction the market will go, but I'm just assume if it goes that way, that is my decision I'm going to do. And we are going to see together by next class which side does it go and how did I approach it. If you can be calmly trading like that, you will become a better trader that you need to be. You can see how we are dealing with Axie. We are just getting a funded members, almost 3-4 members every month. In January, we got about 6. No, we started in December. In January, we get only 1 person, which is Mr. Ime. In February, we get only 1 person. March, we got 7. And April now, this morning we got another members, which I posted in the group that just qualify. So if you have to be a calm trader and use our strategy, it's going to help you. Go and forget about all these trend line, price zone, price action. You are just wasting your time. Learn price zone management like we are doing. Use the robots for a very long time before it edge, and you start manipulating your price zone so that you have to become a calm trader with profit. You can see, for those people who are new here, you can see that I don't know how many of your mentor that you have been following before, that they can be trading a live account in front of you. But that's what we do here. We trade live account in front of all members, and all members need to participating so that we create a confidence in them. So that is what we do on this platform here. So now we don't have much to do on this account than what we have explained. But another thing I want to do that I'm deciding that I want to do is that I want to trade volatility so that every month, every week or month, I'll be compensating all these charges they are charging me. Because the market doesn't move for me to get profit, and they keep on charging me all this every time. So what am I going to do? I'm not going to use boom and crash again, but I'll rather use volatility 75. I'm already preparing to chart, or I use any of the volatility that have cheap price. So let me just quickly share my insight with you guys, what I'm going to do from tomorrow. Let me come to file, no chart, volatility. Okay, on this account, we only have volatility 75 and volatility 150. So let me put volatility 150, and let us see how am I going to choose which of the volatility I want to do, I want to trade. This is volatility 75. I want to look at, the first thing is I want to look at the price, which one is most expensive. If you look at volatility 75, as at this night, the price is 116,831. If I look at volatility 1x, it's just it's just $1,020. So definitely, this is where I'm going to do my investment. I will not trade most expensive asset because, one, I've reduced my capital from 3,000 to 1,600. Two, I just want to use it as augmentation to be recovering my admin fee they are charging me every day. If crash 1,000 refuse to move the way I'm expecting, by 12 midnight today, they will charge me again this admin fee. So they don't care. They're just using this one to take all the money you have made from them back. Why? The algorithm doesn't let you make profit. So that is what we are going to do to bring, let me even remove this, to bring volatility 150S in the market. I'm going to trade it on 4 hours because it's a robot trading now. I'm going to put robot there. Let me see. I'm going to put robot there, and I'm going to use which of the robot am I going to use here? I'm going to use Edging Pro. Edging Pro. I won't use PC Scrap Pro because that one is majorly for boom and crash. So I'm going to use my Edging Pro 4.0. This is the asset we are going to use. Yeah, it doesn't have license. So that's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to trade it on 4 hours because I'm not rushing. I just need something to be dropping like $5, $10, $5, $10 to augment all these charges so that they cannot kill me with these charges. You can see what they charge in just 1 week, $101. Why I don't make profit? The only money I make here is $14. And why I don't make profit? Because they are using that strategy to bully a trader. Okay? So that is why you have to be as smart as the platform itself, and you don't need to rush anything. If at all market doesn't go towards your direction for 2 months, 3 months, just leave it. be a calm trader. Just be a calm trader and don't put your house rent or the money you need at every month end, because those are the reasons why retail traders normally blow accounts, because they put the money they need urgently on trading floor. And at the end of the day, broker will take it because you won't have that patience. Imagine you are on the platform for 3 years, for 3 months, and you don't make profit, and they are charging you like this. What happened? You will be pressurized to start looking for what is not there in the market, and at the end of the day, broker will take all the money. So this is what we are going to do and want to discuss tonight. If we have any question, please we can ask. But before the big question time, in the class tonight, can people who are just new among us type yes in the comment box so that I can be able to know the new people among us. Please, if you are new among us, you are joining my class for the RIF class for the first time, please just type yes, or you can raise up your hand. Anyone? I'm seeing new people among us, but they refuse to respond. Okay, 3 people have typed. Mr. Edao 7, Motsuma, then Joseph. Mr. Adamu, you are drawing on our chart. You are just drawing. I don't know what you are drawing on your computer. You are just drawing things here every minute. I don't know why. Mr. Adama, maybe Adama or Adamu. Okay. Okay. Yes, Moshu. Yeah. Mr. Joseph. Felix Ofo Ebu. Adesuyi Aigba Monday. Yes, I can see. Okay. The reason. Okay, Mr. Oludare, you raise up your hand. Just hold on. Okay, you raise up your hand as a new member. Okay, also is good. Okay, the reason why I want to know every new member is Mr. Adesuyi family, Mr. Adama. Okay, Mr. Adama. Okay, now we can see that we have a lot of new people among us. So starting from next week, we are going to increase our practical class by another day, because practical class is very, very important. So I will post it in the group. I don't know which group you guys came from, but I'll post it on our master group. Whoever brought you to this Zoom will transfer that information to your group as well, so that everybody can see what I posted. Maybe starting from next week, we're going to have Tuesday class, Friday class, and Sunday class. Maybe Tuesday. I'm thinking of between Tuesday and Wednesday, so that we have those classes to augment the new people, because every month new people join us, and most of them get lost because they don't get the information like people that have been spending 8 months, 9 months. The maximum people on this platform are 9 months that join my class. So, but those ones are already funded accounts, my managers, and they already understood what we are saying. But we need to take care of the new people so that they can be in the same space we are. So, any of you that I knew, what are the questions you need to ask, please? Be free. In our class, we ask questions so that you ask, you know. They said the person will ask question na him do road. Mr. Michael. Mr. Michael, you have been here for a very long time. I know you. So what's your question?
Evening, sir.
Evening, sir.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so I can go ahead and maybe the one plan. Now maybe I'm still trying to get themselves acquainted with the whole thing. So maybe you don't have a question here. Let me help out. So sir, I know. Thank you for the class.
Mr. Michael, your volume is very bad. It's cracking. I'm struggling to hear you.
Okay,
I'm still struggling to hear you. I don't even hear you.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you now.
Okay, it's better now, sir, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So I say thank you for the class. So my question is, you moved from the boom and crash, the crash 1000 that we're trying to analyze. And then we switched to, we're trying to analyze volatility 75.
I didn't analyze it. I'm saying I'm going to be, I will start trading it starting from next week. I mean, starting from this week, to augment the charges.
Okay.
So I'm not going to analyze it at all because it's robot that will work 100% there.
Okay, so my question is, the settings, can we use the boom and crash settings on those other volatility 75, 120 and the likes?
You can't use
it. Different settings we can use on it.
You can't use it because the reason why you can't use it on boom and crash.
So that's my question. So that
yeah, on boom and crash we are using B6 Car Pro robot.
Okay.
On volatility we are going to use Edging Pro. So they are not the same. So you can't use what you are using there on Edging on Edging Pro.
Okay. So probably if you can help us furnish us with the either the 75 the settings for. Okay, I think the Edging Pro is the same settings with the normal MT4 settings. All right. We can use that one.
Yeah, they're almost the same, but you can't use that one because they are what do we call it? They are how they set it up, how they set their it's different. What I'm going to do is anybody that need this preset, after I finish setting it up, if you need a preset, just let me know in the group. I'll drop it there. You copy it. You copy it. Yeah,
okay. Please, sir, we need it. I will chat you up there. Maybe once you are done.
Okay. No
Thank
problem.
You, sir.
You are welcome, sir. So any other question? Any other question? Mr. Joseph, you are pointing to Mr. Adama. And no, Mr. Adama is pointing to Mr. Okay, Mr. Joseph, you say yes. What is your question, sir?
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
My question is not much, just that I want to follow your lectures well.
Yes, sir.
I have traded the RIF before. I even wrote a book on it even.
Okay.
At that time, it's highly manipulative.
Yeah.
Highly manipulative. I even have group I was training that time. I made some money that to the extent that I raised $100 up to $1,000.
Okay.
Then I started using high lot size. Greed. One of the I later did that my book. One of the things that I think I have, you've said it the other time in one of your lectures, the first lecture I joined with you last week. We have to remove greed because it's one of the dangerous things in this market. That was what scared me. Do you know that $1,000 was, that is when I know this thing is highly manipulative. Every trade I put, it will go the opposite. Every trade I enter, I know I use the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, indicator. I use RSI, relative strength index. I use the moving average, both exponential, simple, and smooth. I use even Fibonacci, what do you call it? Fibonacci retracement. I use all the professional. In fact, because I know the trend movement and both channel, both support, key resistance, all this did not work. So that is why I say because your own is robot based. This is robot versus robot now. That is even I'm not even interested in this derivative. That's why I called Shokoya. I've done a business with him over time. He's very reliable. I just contacted him about last week and I've been asking him, what can I do? He was the one who now told me, come into this, that you are using robot now to trade Forex. I don't want the. I'm just trying, if you convince me to continue the RIF again, but my interest is in the Forex. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Joseph, I won't convince you to trade the RIF. Instead of trading the RIF, go and trade AXI. The reason is, you see, one of the problems that we have as a retail trader is that we don't have enough capital to trade. So imagine, as at this night, we have somebody among us that is managing $100,000 already on AXI. And imagine if you are if you listen, and one thing is all the people trading the RIF, trading AXI funded account, I monitor them like hawk monitor chicken. I monitor them. They send me their results and performance every day to correct it. The reason is, if you trade AXI, you will be able to get enough funding. Even when you make, for example, if you make 2% on $100,000 in a month, that is, you are going to get $1,000 profit sharing. So with that, you will not be able to rush, because what killing Yeah, what killed most of us that we are retail traders? We don't have enough capital, and we want to buy data. At the end of the month, we buy data, we do everything like that. The time we stay in front of computer. So all this thing is killing us. So all this thing is killing us. That is why we became what we became. So for me, if you are not a real professional, let me tell you something. In 2022,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I turned $1,000 to $20,000, and I withdrew it.
In the reef?
Yes. One of my clients turned $10,000 to $44,000. Everything is in less than 6 months. Robots trading. Because me, I don't have time. No matter what anybody tell me about, hey, I know how to trade. Manual is the best. Keep it up. I will ask you, can you give me 1 year trading statement of your manual? Then I give you 1 year trading statement of my robot. Nobody I've ever asked challenge that can give me. Many people will tell you trading manual is the best. It's not I don't have a problem with that. But give me the proof. You can't give it to me.
Yes, sir.
Is the best. That robot is not the best. Actually, the way we are using our robot, we use robot and human being together. When robot retire, human being will start analysis and we do what we are doing. This deriv is robot. I traded it for first 1 month, and robot gave me $1,000 that I withdrew. Then it edged. When it edged, I started managing it bit by bit until I will finish the edge. If I show you 0.07 you saw now is from like 24 lot size that I reduce it to that 0.7. So that's what we are teaching. That's what we are teaching in this class. So, but for me to tell you the truth, I will advise you to go to funded platform. Then when you are not funded and you are not getting that kind of return, then you can start putting it back to the reef.
Okay, sir.
You know that your investment, you are reinvesting, not your capital. This is the champion. I'm sharing this old man. He's a 63 years old man. And on April 1, today is 6, he got that $100,000 funding. This is the first funder. Yes, we are not joking here. We have record of people that have done beautifully okay among us. That even done better than me, that I'm teaching the classes. And it's a pride for me. You understand? These are our best trader for now. And this man joined my platform. I think if I don't make a mistake, September 2024. And you can imagine, this man told me on phone, I've never met him in my life. He just called me that I want to buy a robot, but I don't trust Forex again. I've been trading for more than 10 years. I've not withdrawn $1. And I said, okay, if you want to try buy and come to my class. And that's what I keep on telling people. And I don't know how many people have been buying robots and the robot owner say, come to class. Once they sell the robot for you, they disappear because they know what they sell to you. In my own, you buy, you come to class. And to the glory of God, this night we can jubilate with him. He's having $100,000 in his account. And he started this axis with $500 in January. This is April. You can imagine the journey between January to April is now turning to 100,000. So we are not joking. So I guide everyone around me. I guide everybody because your achievement is my pride, not your failure.
Yes, sir.
Just monitor and follow, come to class. When you miss the class, go to the YouTube, see all our recorded classes there, and everything will be super okay. But like I said, don't start with deriv. Deriv will frustrate you.
I said that's why I asked that question, because I know them.
Yeah.
And I want to also tell you that I funded my Axie account. That person brought by Shokoya.
Okay.
So I funded. He helped me to fund and conclude everything and set up my server yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. Okay. So
let's join this 3 months. Window you people give us. Then after that, I will now buy.
No problem. Let's see how, we are not surviving on robot selling. We are traders ourselves, so we know what we are doing. No problem, sir.
And
Yeah,
I
no
have
problem.
a friend also. I have a friend I brought to the industry again. He's here. He's in this lecture. You mentioned him.
Okay.
So him also is likely to fund his own account any moment from now,
Please.
so that we join together. But the problem is that he didn't have a system, and Chokoya was saying that before we can set that server, you need to set that server in his system. But I was just trying to see if I can get his email to set his own in my own system, pending when his system comes.
Yes. What I will ask you to do is to set up his VPS on your system, and you can put it on Android phone. Well, after you set it up, you transfer it from your computer to Android phone for him to monitor, to start monitoring it. Setting up is the main issue that you have to use computer for. After you set it up, you can move it to Android. Tell Mr. Shokola to send you my recorded video how you can run your VPS on your Android phone.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so it will help you.
Carry also. You have to monitor also like your chicken. Or
No, I can't, because look, I want to make sure that in the history of all the mentors, my own history will be different. I'm even trying on people more than the way I'm trying on myself, because every time I need to develop myself too. You can imagine if my student is having 100,000 and I'm still trading 5,000. You can imagine. But I'm very proud that I'm raising professional trader. Many people believe trading is a fraud, it's a scam. No, trading is most regulated business in the whole world. But the approach that traders are bringing on board is the bad approach, and the narrative that people have, the narrative that people have put in the industry, that they will tell you they are buying sheep, they are buying big car, they are buying wristwatch, not telling people that they are doing forex business. Those are the things that mess up everybody. And if you are fortunate to be on the right platform, you can't regret it. I won't say I'm the best trader. There are many best traders out there, but one thing is, most people that are very good in trading, they don't teach anybody. The good trader doesn't teach. They will never teach you. They prefer you to put your money and they manage it and they share profit. Because the more you give people's knowledge, the more you don't get money. But me, I believe in sharing knowledge and giving people knowledge, empower people with knowledge. Our ideology to life is different. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing.
Listen, God will bless you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So do we have any one or two questions from the floor? Otherwise, we close the floor for tonight. Any one or two questions before we close the class we close the floor for the class, and we meet again on Sunday. And I will let us know, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, we are going to start additional practical class so that it can help every new people that are joining. And that one will be for beginners. Trimming, type of trimming, rollover, when to rollover, what is rollover. We analyze everything. I will say everything in a layman language just to accommodate new people that are joining us. So having said that, there's nobody that have question again. I will say we have a wonderful week ahead. Somebody drop a message. Okay. So I would say we should have a blessed week ahead of us, a profitable week for all traders. Having said that,
sir.
Yeah, who is that?
Can I come in? It's Adama here.
Adama, okay.
Yes, I have been following you since I am the one who. My name is Adam on my WhatsApp group. I have talked to you several times on several occasions.
Okay, Atu from Germany.
Yeah, they're from Germany. I think I'm the only person from Germany who is on this platform.
Yeah,
all the same, thank you very much. I've been following you and I have chatted you several times. I thank you very much. Though I have not started, but from what I have learned in experience and how you talk and how you teach, I think God will bless you. And if possible, the heaven himself will take you to heaven in future. So my question is this: I haven't started trading. It made me put some money at a particular account in Britain.
Okay.
And I have not started. It's because of public problems or all those things.
Okay.
So can I ask one question? That if it is possible, we the beginners, I sent you a message some time ago, maybe last week, that the early early videos. I'm trying to download all your videos, but there are a lot. So if you can pinpoint 2 or 3 videos that can help us, we the beginners.
Yeah.
It will, I asked you one time that if there's any book that I have to buy, let me know the name of the book so that I can buy and prepare myself before I enter.
Okay, don't let me lie to you. Any books, if you buy books, you are just wasting your time. No book.
Yes, you told me that.
Yeah,
no book. So the videos, if it's possible.
Yeah, no book will teach you how to trade and make successful.
Actually.
And if you go to YouTube, you're just wasting your time, because if you look at my YouTube channel, I'm not bragging. It's different from what you can hear from. So Adama, what I'm going to do is that please try to come to class from.
I have been coming. If you check the records, I have been coming always.
So so what you attend now is you start attending beginner class. Beginner class will be either Tuesday or Wednesday. Because if I said I show you 1 or 2 videos of last year, you may still struggle with it. But when when you come to class, people ask questions, you talk, somebody. So from there you pick faster than when you are alone watching video. So video is for people who have already get idea, but they want to affirmate that idea. So what I'm going to do is just try to come to the beginners class, so that because the beginner class we start from foundation.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So then when you are now watching those videos after the class, you will get it right, because you are in that class when we are talking about it. So don't let me give you any video for now.
Can I also suggest something? If it will please you and your group. We that have paid and we are studying with you, if you put the whole thing on YouTube, I don't know whether it will help you or not. But I'm thinking we that are attending, we that are on your group, you can make a broadcast video, and you broadcast to only us, so that your knowledge will not, I don't know, it will not go out free for that on that. I think whether you get it or not.
Yeah. Many people have called me that what I'm putting on YouTube, what people are supposed to be paying for. But I'm putting it there for you guys that maybe you missed the class, or what you got in the class, you forgot part of it, then you want
to. It's true.
And if anybody, and if anybody who's not in the class, who came from anywhere on internet, came to watch it, my brother, don't let me lie to you. Many of them are in my group today. They came back. They came back to come and learn. Because the video is not enough. It's like when you go to Arab and you learn some small Arab somewhere, and you now go to Arab city, you still need to learn. So the video is 100% useful for people that come to class, not people that just jam it online. Many people have called me. I've been monitoring your videos since last year, but now I want to buy the robot. I will say, okay, it's fine. Why? But haven't you learned anything? Yeah, we have learned anything. We've learned something, but it's not too clear that I feel like to join your class. You see?
That is good.
Yeah, because it's not something that is common. You will see everywhere. So people want to know deep. So eventually they will come.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Yeah.
Can I call you tomorrow?
Yeah, you can call me tomorrow anytime. I'm free.
Okay. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah. So Elder, you said as for me, I've been going through the videos one by one, especially on topic like trimming and rollover, price zone management. Yeah, it's good, Mr. Elder. You keep on pushing. It's fine. But just whenever you are ready, join us fully. And you say, good evening, sir. I just wanted to find out what is the process of getting your trading robot. We spoke last year on and you said you first want to talk to the individual to get a sense of who they are before giving them robots. Yeah, I don't push my robot onto people, because many people will tell you robot doesn't work. So I don't want to be like a aggressive somebody that want to make money from robots. Mr. Motsusi Matole, please, after the class, if you are still not sleeping, chat with me on WhatsApp. I can call you because you sound like South Africa. So I'm in South Africa too, so we can talk better. We can talk better if you hear me. And if you are, okay, I'll ask when you even call me, if you are from my group or somebody else's group. Okay, having said this, let's close tonight. Our class is always 1 hour. We have spent extra 9 minutes. Okay, Mr. Elder, okay, I'm also from South Africa. Welcome, sir. I'm even meeting somebody for meeting in South Africa, in Mall of Africa tomorrow. So some people want to see me before they will join the class. I don't know why. Once they know that I'm in South Africa, they'll say, no, I want to see you first. It's fine. We see, people want to see me. We see each other, no problem. So thank you, Mr. Haida, anytime. And Mr. People that in South Africa, we are going to have a very powerful classes in one-on-one in Santin. In Santin, I'll post it in the group. Yes, can we chat on WhatsApp? Based in South Africa. Okay, yeah, we can chat. So that people in South Africa, because we are home, we don't need to depend on Zoom class alone. But for only people that funded their Axie account. So you come to Axie office in Santin, then you see me one-on-one in front of you teaching the class. So we're going to start that program by middle of May, and I'll post it in the class so that people that they are in South Africa and in Gauteng, Johannesburg Axis, that have access to Santin, then we can still meet there so that your own class can be a little bit boosted because we are in the same country, the same area. You won't depend on Zoom class alone. So, but as time goes on, I will announce it in the class. But I want to finish FMAS events that is going to open in Cape Town before we start the class, so that I'll post everything in the group, and you'll be able to join my classes live and direct. You see me, you touch my hand, I touch your hand, we shake each other. So I think that would be okay too. So I think we can call it a day for today and prepare for work tomorrow. People that have 9 to 5 work to do, so they can go and sleep. We would love to see you in Nigeria. Of course, Nigeria, I'm coming to Nigeria. I'm having a deal with HFM Nigeria. So I think by next year, by God's grace, or late this year, I'll be in and out South Africa, maybe 1 month, 2 months in Nigeria, 1 month, 2 months in South Africa. People are calling me in Kenya. People want to see me in Rwanda. We need to go and see all of them. So it's not a problem. Surely I must reprogram myself by God's grace next year, because I need to cover at least Nigeria, South Africa, Rwanda, and Kenya next year. So don't worry. I'll prepare to meet you too, Mr. Samuel Oyekola. Thank you very much, and I will say good night to everybody.
Mr. Folani, please do stop over in London, no? I beg.
Don't worry. You people in London, we are going to see. Don't worry. I'm still a very agile, what do they say, agile for someone. I love traveling a lot, so don't worry. Don't worry, I'll come.
What about Canada?
That's too far.
There's nothing too far. There's nothing too far. We come to Canada, as much you are my student. I need to visit everybody.
I thought I'm the only one from Canada here. I don't know. I have a brother here too.
No,
yeah, I'm here.
I think in Canada we are about 10. I have about 10 in Canada. I have about 10 in New Zealand. I don't know how many I have in Australia because they are sleeping now. So most of the Australian people talk to me during the day. But we are going to cover, but the good thing is, even in Germany, in Australia, in Canada, all of us are from Africa. I have one white lady from Australia among us. It's only white among us. All of us are from Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa. So, which makes me happy, because I like when I'm helping my black brothers. We are not useless. It's only some of us are greedy and we are not doing the thing the right way. But God will help all of us to do things in the right way. So I will say good night to everybody until we meet again in the next class. Bye.
Germany will be waiting for you, sir.
No problem. I'll come to Germany too.